Hey all, welcome back. This is my third day of traveling, and in the last part, I made my way to Lal Chowk, walking all the way from Dal Gate. That's like 3 kilometer walk, and it got pretty late for me to be honest, since I am also planning to visit Dal Jheel today itself. So I decided to take a quick stroll to the other end of the Chowk to get an overall feel of the area. Apart from this huge screen and Independence Day decorations you see, the entire area has been thoughtfully renovated. The flooring has been redone, multiple sitting areas have been added, with some having beautiful shade. For children to explore, there is a new real-life chessboard has been built. Even the clock tower has received a makeover. Earlier it used to look like this, and by the time I got back to the tower, it's already 7 o'clock. But it is still so bright, I thought of double checking in my mobile if it is actually showing the right time. Alright, now without wasting any more time, let's head to Dal Jheel, but before that, let me please click couple of pictures. I think I would be better off taking an auto because I am feeling so hungry and tired right now. And here we are. You see, I am in Srinagar to see just two places. And to be honest, these two are the only ones I know. The first one is Lal Chowk and the second one is this place. Well, I have just arrived here, but what I have got to understand till now is that Dal Gate, which is just about 500 meter away, is basically starting point of Dal Jheel. And once you are here following this pathway, you get to see shikaras in all shapes and sizes lined up on the lake on one hand, and mostly on the other you have hotels and restaurants. And one more thing that I'm noticing here is that you have these little house-like structures on regular intervals with gate numbers written on it. These may act as a pickup point or onboarding point for shikaras. As time is passing, the sky is becoming more and more bluish, and its reflection on the lake surface is making the water appear bluish too. And on top of that, the colorful lights on the houseboats are giving Christmas-like vibes. I am really enjoying my time here, but this is actually the second lake that I have visited on this trip. The first one was Sukna Lake in Chandigarh, which had a much quieter and more peaceful atmosphere. I personally prefer that kind of ambience. I think anyone would. Here, however, everything feels very commercialized, and the sound of the vehicles coming from the nearby street kind of disrupts the mood.
इधर वीडियो आएगा अच्छा डल लेक के अंदर घुमाएगा हाँ ये सीन जो
I walked till gate number 8 and I was done. Firstly, I was really tired and hungry, and secondly, it was all repetitive, and I see no point going forward and coming back again. Also, while I was at Lal Chowk roaming around, I had thought of staying at Yatri Nivas, and since I have not even tried finding any other budget friendly option, I have no option other than going there. But before that, I found this food truck on the way with so many people surrounding it. So I quickly had pav bhaji and it was not as good as I was expecting it. Later I walked till Dal Gate and hopped into this auto. The clock tower is glowing in tricolor lights, and you know what? There are still good number of people surrounding it, taking pictures and all. Cool, right? But I cannot stay much, so I'll be on my way to the hotel. Let's check out the room condition, and with that, I'll be ending the vlog here itself. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
This is how Yatri Nivas 2-bedroom looks like. Nothing impressive, but it's not cheap also. 700 rupees for this. Yeah, that's all.